for nothing. I think she wine not pay you can't pull up. But she wine for nothing.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka the Reaction Boss, and yes, it is that time of the week again where we have you guys a little Soca reaction. We call it Soca Thursdays. However, starting next week, we're gonna have Soca music reaction dropping back to back to back. It don't really matter which day it is, you understand me? So I want someone to please take the time out of their day to comment, take the time out of your lovely day to comment a lot of Soca songs down below in the comment section you would like to see me react to. You understand? Comment a bunch of them. You understand me? Or you can just post a boom on my Instagram at Tyrekevlogs and drop a bunch of them in my DM. You understand? Because we're trying to update the thing now, not just Thursdays, more regular. Comment on this video to see your comment in this video that I post, and I'll post every single day. Subscribe to my vlog channel. I really need you guys to go over my vlog channel, guys, and help support me over there at more Tyrekevlogs. And that's how me get me to 5K over there right now. But go check out the videos I'm posting every day over there, also over here. Consistency, boss. Reaction, boss. Anyways, this is what's happening. We have Nessa Preppy, we have Salty Pull Up official music video 2020 Soca HD. Retro.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hey, trouble already. It just starting. The past bars is in full effect this week. I wasn't going to introduce the past bars, but I just feel the vibes to introduce the past bars to Soca Thursdays. Let's go. Yeah, whatever. Go on.
Can't sit down, walk it and broke it, take it and tuck it.
I doubt me I talk about it, no man. The girls them there already. I'm happy, though. I am so happy right now. The females are here. Go. Look.
Y'all way you wind up your bumper, sit down and juke it and jam it. Y'all way you wind and bend over.
Nessa, remember, I know, it's a snap. I think I will never ever forget. That's my longest ever reaction. 17 minutes worth of Nessa Preppy is a snap. But look at this. Let's go.
All night we are jam. All that gal in this session. When they step out in their little short pants, them man them those.
I see a lot of fatness. I see a lot of curviness. I see a lot of potential. I also see a lot of flags. Wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, they're in black and white. I thought it was a glass. It is in black and white. Okay, you know, we can't see nothing in the glass already. You know that go already. See? Alright, so let's go. Don't blink. Ciao. Go on. Big up World Caribbean. All you United States also. Don't forget that. Go on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Out in their little short pants, them man them those stand a chance.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, man. Hey, normally top now. What are vibes? Jamaica, hey, go on.
My gosh.
All the girls them instruction time.
Yeah. I don't know.
Check your time, man.
Sit down.
You're in trouble this video, you know. You're in trouble. This two kind of sound like my name Boom Boom, the one from Jamaica, or the Jamaican who do the same thing as him. Sounds just like a MC or something. I don't know, but go on, Nessa. You me there for? I'm here for you, Nessa.
Salty, let me go, hey.
Oh Lord. Me want all the girls them listen.
Flexibility at its finest, people. Like, everybody can split, everybody can put them foot over them head, them 2 foot at the same time. love that. There we go.
Nessa Preppy. Alright, Nessa, talk to them now.
Girl, pull up. I tell she wine but nothing. I tell she wine.
Auntie, she do what? Auntie, she do what? What kind of thing?
Back climb for nothing. I tell she wine back climb for nothing. I tell she wine back. Hey, you girl, pull up. I tell she wine for nothing. I tell she wine back climb for nothing. I tell she wine back climb for nothing. I tell she wine back.
Is that card really spinning or somebody else spin it? Hey, that card does distract me a while ago from the beautiful happenings of this video, you know. Because the beautiful happenings of this video is really happenings in my eyes, you know. You understand what I'm saying or to you right now? Soca Thursday.
Girl, sit down, walk it and broke it, take it and tuck it. Girl, why you wind up your bumper? Sit down and juke it.
Hey, see, I want to go. This I got a big fat bumper. I tell them, say, Paul, man, see the police making the bumper cat. You see right now, I'm not lying to them from lying. I'm dying. You see that dark skin one day. She kind of better than Nessa low keys, so, you know. Or she don't want to show Nessa property. It's alright.
Juke it and jam it. Girl, why you wine and bend over? All day, all night, we are jam. All that.
Cameraman. I understand, say this was in 2020. But you have to understand, say, we want to see the beautiful happenings of the video. So you see when happenings are happening in the video, make us see the happenings that are happening in the video. You know how much happenings I'm talking about? Okay. Go on.
In this session, when they step out in their little short pants, them man, them no stand a chance. Girl, pull up. I tell she wine for nothing. I tell she.
When I tell you that talk about, and that thing that me want to ask you too. But we don't want to hear the chorus again, you know. No. We can't skip through this, you know, because we have to watch that video here, you know. Anything can happen, you know. Anything can happen. Let me go and watch.
Wine back, climb for nothing. I tell she wine back, climb for nothing. I tell she wine back, hey, you girl, pull up.
Never will I she. Make sure I'm showing you because I don't want to think of the wrong. You see if I want she. How that? I go in and flag that. But that one, you see if I want she. Not Nessa, no. Nessa governor, no. She a trouble. Alright.
For nothing. I tell she wine back.
Sit down on it, girl. Sit down on it, girl. Wine on it, girl. Go down on it, girl. Back it.
So why you coming sound like a Jamaican now? Back it up. But me never say she. No, me never say this happening. I just didn't see that was happening right there. You guys have to understand that it's just the natural reflexes of the reaction bars to pause the video when happenings are happening in the video. So we can go. So I can just lovely do this then and just watch her. Come on, tell me, man. You want to see it. Let's hear about it. Yeah, if you don't know, you know now. I love slow motion. Y'all see Nessa big body a while ago. And that them a try hide from we. Catch her. Slow motion. Yes, we love it. A lot. I ain't go slow motion all his verse. Let me see what his archery going on about.
I took a cup. Independent, you don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Drop to the ground, work it up.
She flick. Twerk in the air. She was twerking in the mid-ear. She flicked, she boom flick and split pan it.
Pull up, I tell she wine pon a thing. I tell she wine back time pon a thing. I tell she
Nessa, baby. I was going to comment on whole girl, you know, who is doing the hookworm thing, you know. But Nessa, you know what you're doing, Nessa. You know what you're doing.
wine back time pon a thing. I tell she wine back, hey you girl pull
I want
up.
to be
I tell she
upset
wine
with
pon
you.
a thing.
You are the only man in the video and I don't see a dagger, not one girl. I want to you afraid of woman. You are the only man in the video and this is a soca song and I don't see a dagger, jam, or horn, or not one girl. You is a auntie man. You must is a auntie man. Go on.
I tell she wine back time pon a thing. I tell she wine back time pon a thing. I tell she wine back, back it up, back it up. Hey, you girl.
No, she dangerous. She danger. Gangster.
How will you fix up your face and wine to the ground now? Hey, you girl. How will you walk up your waist and
Fix the place and give them.
I'm trying to cover up. Use a auntie man, me gone. You big up instead, it's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Yeah, I know it's all for fun and jokes and laughter. You understand me? I'm not really calling the salty a auntie man. He's a general. You understand? Big up yourself anyway. I hope you guys see this video and see that I'm here vibing to y'all song. Guys, screen the card, screenshot the favorite part from this reaction, tag me, tag the artist at Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Get me to 10,000 followers on Instagram. And we're gonna have some giveaways once I hit 10K. You understand me? I posted that story last night asking what I should start with. People say weed, people say my chain. People say my chain. People say they want PS5. People want money, but you don't know anything I found. It's simple, light work. Don't say for it. It's been about 10 blocks. Okay.